Mastering passive voice. Spotlight on actions, not doers. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on mastering intermediate English grammar. In today's session, we are going to delve into a very interesting aspect of the passive voice. Specifically, we'll explore how we use the passive voice when the focus is on the action, not the doer. So, let's get started. First, let's quickly revisit what distinguishes active from passive voice. In active voice, the subject of the sentence performs the action, whereas in passive voice, the subject is acted upon by some other agent or by something unnamed. Consider the sentence, "The cat chased the mouse." This is an example of the active voice where the cat, subject, is performing the action of chasing. Now let's make it passive. The mouse was chased by the cat. Here, the mouse, subject, is not doing anything. Instead, it is being acted upon by the cat. But we could also say, the mouse was chased, and the action is still clear even without knowing who or what did the chasing. The power of the passive voice lies in its ability to shift the focus from the doer to the action itself. We often use this in English when the action is more important, more interesting, or more relevant than the agent performing it. For example, consider this sentence, "The ancient artifacts were discovered." In this case, the main point is the discovery of the artifacts, not necessarily who found them. Let's practice with some examples. Active, the janitor cleans the school every day. Passive, the school is cleaned every day. See how the focus moves from the janitor to the action of the school being cleaned. Here's another example. Active, a famous artist painted the mural. Passive, the mural was painted by a famous artist. Again, the mural being painted is the more relevant piece of information, not necessarily who painted it. Remember, using the passive voice is a powerful way to shift focus and importance from the doer to the action itself. It's a vital skill in mastering the nuances of English language and can make your writing and speaking much more engaging. We hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to practice these concepts to really make them stick. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.